Hello guys, so I have this question for you. It is always difficult to understand for some people, but today I have simplified it for you. A very good and easiest way of doing it. So stay tuned up to the end of my explanations because I've already done the question up to getting the solution, which is 22 years. But now let us go through it. We are told in the stem that in 14 years' time, and I have underlined that, in 14 years' time, a mother will be twice as old as her son. Then, 4 years ago, the sum of their ages, meaning if you take the age of the mother, you add it to the age of the son, you will get 30 years because 4 years ago, also I have underlined that the sum of their ages was 30 years. Then find how old the mother was when the son was born. So this is a topic called the linear equation. Now let us go through it. So I have constructed a table here. If you look at my table, I have the two people mentioned in the question, that is the mother and her child. So that is the mother and the son. And because we are talking about the present, so I have indicated their ages now. That let the age of the mother be X, and because their age cannot be the same, let that of the son be Y. Step by step. Then if you look at the stem of the question, they talk about 14 years time, in 14 years time, meaning 14 years to come. 14 years to come. That is why I'm adding here. That is positive 14. So in 14 years time, you'll have to add. You'll have to add 14. That is why in my table here, at the upper row, in the middle, I have positive 14. 14 years time. Take note of that. And also, we have here 4 years ago, meaning these years has already been eaten by locust. Miaka zangu zilioliwa na nzige. So 4 years ago. So that is why I have subtracted 4 here, negative 4. I have indicated negative 4 there. Now let us look at how this will affect the age of the mother and the age of the son. So their ages now, the mother is X and the age of the son now is Y. So in 14 years time, that is 14 years to come, the mother will be X plus 14. Sure. And then the son also will be Y plus 14, meaning their ages are going up. Each year, if the son was 3 years, then the next year will be 4 years. If the son was 3, next year will be 4. If the mother was 10, next year will be 11. She will be 11. Sorry. And then 4 years ago, meaning if I take the age of the mother now, if I want that age 4 years ago, then it will be X minus 4. The son will be Y minus 4 because the age of the son now is Y. Now let us now compute this. Let us now see how we'll use this table here. So we are told that in 14 years time, that is here now, 14 years time, this column here, a mother will be twice as old as a son. Meaning, if I take the age of the mother in 14 years time, that is X plus 14, then this one is equivalent to twice the age of the son. The age of the son in 14 years time is Y plus 14. Then that one will be twice Y plus 14. That is 2 into Y plus 14. So the mother in 14 years time, the mother is twice the age of the son. Then from that, you can open this bracket, say I'll have X plus 14 is equal to 2Y plus 28. So from this, you will have equation 1. I believe from here, you can do it up to here. So from that, you will have equation 1. Then, in the stem also, 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 30. Meaning, if I take 4 years ago, if I take the age of the mom, the mother, that is X minus 4, 4 years ago, then sum added to the age of the son, 4 years ago, you get 30. From that, you will get equation 2. So I believe also this one you can do it up to there. So from that, we have two equations, two systems of linear equations. So it is you to decide whether to solve them using matrix method, using maybe graphical method, using elimination method, or substitution. Elimination is always the easiest, but today I'm using substitution method. So from here, I'm saying that from equation 1, and then this is my equation 1, I can develop another equation from this equation 1, such that I can decide and make this x the subject of the formula. So if x is the subject of the formula, then it's true to say that x is equal to 14 plus 2y. So I have developed from equation 1, equation 3. But because I've used equation 1 and we had two equations, we had equation 1 and equation 2, after developing my third equation, now I will substitute this third equation in equation 2 now. Because, mind you, I've already used the first equation. So I'll substitute this third equation in equation 2. Then this is what I'll have. In equation 2, I have x. So where x is, I'll put 14 plus 2y. That is why you are seeing this 14 plus 2y. Then we have plus y. That is equation 2 plus y. Then this plus y is equal to 38. This is 38. So from here, you fumble with it. You do it slowly, slowly. You'll get that x is 30. You'll get that x is 30. So after getting x is 30, what is next? This x is the age of the mother. Now, this is the present age of the mother. And then the y, this y here is the present age of the son. But you are told in the stem, find how old the mother was when the son was born. So if now the mother is 30 years and the son is 8 years, how old was the mother when the son was born? Remember, when the son was born, he was 0 years. So to get the age of the son to get the age of the mother when the son was born, you will simply take away 8. That is the present age of the son from the present age of the mother. So I'll take 30 minus 8. You get 22 years. Kudos. Always follow my YouTube channel for more tricky questions like this. Thank you so much, learners. Enjoy.